So, just look at it. I microwaved, a Kraft sliced cheese with, a bar S. Very good bar S. Very delectable. Bologna. As you can see. Now, for some reason, my brain told me that this would make sense about a minute ago. Then I smelled it and like, it smells pretty good. And I took it out, and I mean, just look at it. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna taste it. It's not bad. It's not quite as cheesy as you would, think, and it's not quite as dry as you would think looking at it. I mean, look at it. One more taste. One more taste. It's not as bad as it looks. It's less dry than it looks. But, yeah. Could probably use some sauce to say the least.